Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of a keto oatmeal. So when I say keto oatmeal, there are no oats in that because it's keto obviously. So we are going to fill it up with loads of nuts and seeds, and we are also using coconut milk, which makes it vegan. You can use cream if you want. So let's go ahead and see how I make this. So let's start off. These are some basil seeds. They are black in color and they plump up just like chia seeds when you put them in water. And we are going to use these because they are also very healthy. So I'm putting about a teaspoon of these in water and setting this aside. These are 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I'm going to blend them in the blender or a coffee grinder. This is 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds and coconut milk. You can use coconut milk or coconut cream. This is some stevia powder. So I've blended my chia seeds and I am going to mix all of this together. You can see my basil seeds have plumped up, and we call it sabja in India. So if you know what that is, you can buy that easily. It's dirt cheap. Here in a pot I have added the coconut milk, half a cup of water, and I've added the chia seeds to this or the powder to this. And I'm mixing all of that. I've also added the hemp seeds, a pinch of salt, a pinch of stevia. You can add more if you want, and again a pinch of xanthan gum. Xanthan gum and the chia seeds will give thickness to the coconut milk. So I have soaked all of these things together, and you can leave this overnight in the refrigerator, or you can even soak it for an hour and then immediately start off with the recipe. If you want to eat it warm, you want to follow the recipe. If you like it cool, you can even eat it the way it is. Heating it is going to make it a little thicker, which makes it more like an oatmeal. But if you want to eat it cold, don't add the water, just keep the coconut milk or the cream. Now it is all soaked. I've added 1 tablespoon of almond flour to this to give it a little bit of thickness, a little bit more filling. And I'm going to cook this on the gas for about 5 minutes or so, or until it thickens to your liking. Also, one thing you shouldn't do is walk away forever, which is what I did, and you can see that it got stuck on the sides or kind of burnt, not like really. So we have heated up our oatmeal and it's ready. You could eat it like this or just top it off with all the toppings of your choice. So you can use nuts, you can use different kinds of berries. It's not the season in India. The frozen berries that you can buy don't have that quality in India, so I avoid using them as far as possible. So I'm adding basil seeds, I'm adding coconut. You can use different kinds of coconut. I ran out of almond butter and I couldn't, but otherwise if you watch some of my recipes, I absolutely love almond butter on top of any kinds of keto oatmeals. And these are some keto chocolate chips that I made using coconut oil, and that's the reason they immediately melted in the oatmeal, because that was hot. And if you want to know how to make it, I've already shared a video, so go check that out. I've also added coconut flakes. These are some soaked and peeled almonds. So I soak them, peel them, and then I dehydrate them. You can also put it in an oven to dry it off. Couple of walnuts, and this is some chocolate sauce. So I have 2 kinds of keto sauces that I bought online, and that is so exciting because finally we can find keto condiments in India. So I was pretty happy. So chocolate sauce and some keto maple syrup, and the maple syrup of Noto is really delicious, and it's not sponsored, but I really liked it a lot and I'm glad to have it. This is some pistachio powder. And I'm adding like 3 to 4 or to 5 or 10 whatever cranberries, because they look pretty and beautiful and you shouldn't be eating so many on keto, but I still added them for the picture. And look at the texture of this thing. It was so filling, and it's full of all of these lovely nuts and seeds, which is loaded with omega-3s. Also, it's vegan, so you can put cocoa in this and make it a chocolate flavor. You can put saffron in, cardamom in it, and make it an Indian flavor. So let me know what you did with yours. If you tried the recipe, leave me a comment and let me know what was your favorite. Also, how do you like to eat your oatmeals? I would love to know all of that. So leave me a comment. If you've liked the video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All the information about the gadgets and ingredients that I use in my kitchen is on my website, and a link to that is in the description. Similar recipes, I have linked all of those on the screen as well as in the description. Check that out, and thanks for watching. Bye.